This lesson is optional, and I would still do it. Version control lets you undo mistakes, and more specifically it lets you get back to the version that worked 20 minutes ago before you started experimenting. That is a genuinely different thing from Control-Z in your editor, which forgets everything the moment you close the file. The second reason is quieter but real. A few months from now you can scroll back through your own commits and see exactly how you were writing C in week 1, which is the clearest evidence of progress you will get. And the third is simply that every C project you will ever be paid to touch is under version control, so the sooner it becomes ordinary, the better. Installing it takes a minute. On Windows, download it from git-scm.com/download/win and accept the defaults with one exception. When the installer asks how you want to use Git, choose Use Git from the Windows command prompt, so that it works in PowerShell and in VS Code rather than only inside its own bash window. On Linux, sudo apt install git or the equivalent for your distribution. And on Mac OS you already have it because it came with the command line tools you installed earlier. Type git-version to confirm. Set your identity once on this machine and never think about it again. Git config-global user.name in quotes. The same for user.email. And git config-global init.default branch main, which names your first branch main rather than the old default. Then go into your cbook folder and run 3 commands. Git init creates the repository. Git add.stages everything in the folder. And git commit-m with a message records it. Commit at the end of every session or whenever something starts working. The message matters less than the habit. That is the whole of Git you need for this book, and chapter 21 comes back to it properly.